Hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you three DIYs. They're easy to make. I think anybody can do them. All you need is I'll have everything that I use for each project. I'll put in the description box below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now I just need to move the camera down. Okay, for the first one, you will need this is a 5x7 picture frame. I already have the glass out. And some of this gem wrap, any kind of your color, or you can also use just regular diamond wrap. I took it and measured it from side to side and cut it. And then on the sides, that's for the top and bottom, I measured it, just let it overlap just a little bit. And what you do, you'll need a glue gun. And I just put the glue straight on the picture frame. And work kind of fast because you know how the glue dries pretty fast. And go ahead, if you've got those ring protectors, the fingertip protectors I mean, this would be a good time. I forgot to get mine. But this is real easy, simple project. And you can leave the frame as it is. You can also use that real narrow ribbon too, any shade of your choice. But I think this just makes it look so much more elegant and just that warm summer, spring summer look. But just press it down. And if you get any glue like I did, let it cool a minute and then just wipe it off. I had some go over the side. Make sure that way because you want to be able to put your glass and stuff. Okay, now flip it over or just set it aside. Any strings, just pull them off, little strings hanging like that. Now take your, I went to Pinterest.com and copied and pasted Microsoft Word and resized it. You can use any picture of your choice. Just line it up the way you want it. And trace it. Just cut it out. This is, like I said, a very simple and easy, nice to add some decoration to your home, office, your craft room, anywhere. Give as a gift. And just put your glass in. You might need to, there you go. Line it up. Put your and then get your, I go ahead and flip this sideways just to make up some room in here to make it tighter. And make sure you got it right. Push your little things down. And here is the finished product. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, the next project, I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's flower pot. You can get any kind of your choice. You'll need one of these foam. And just put glue on it. And it's going to be a tight fit down in there, so just push on it. And I picked out these flowers now, came from Walmart. Dollar Tree, for some reason, doesn't have a good selection out where you can buy several ones and mix them. But I just pull the stems apart, take the tag off, and just stick it right down in there. And then I got this one. Let's see. This one was, it just says it's a daisy pick. Those are daisies. I'm going to bring this up a little so you can see. These are sunflower mix pick. These were like $1 something up to $2.98. 98 cents up to $2.98 a piece. And this one has a little, not only a sunflower, but it has a butterfly in it too. And I just stick it down in there. And I take some of each stem and twist the flower or reshape them. Not reshape them, but mix them up. Blend them into each other. That's what I'm trying to say. Just arrange the stems how you want them. And then there's this one. It is another daisy mix with some wildflowers, the little pink and red, not pink, yellow and red. Shove it way down in there. And again, rearrange the stems. And then the last is some lavender. Now you can also take and cut each stem down and put them in individually. I do that a lot, but I decided on this one to keep them all together. And just rearrange them, like I said, and keep the butterfly out where you can see it. I left it right there. And then you will need some of this, any type of Spanish moss. I've got decorative moss, this kind. It might get a little messy, but keep something down on your workspace like I have, and it'll be easy to pick up. just press it all the way in. Don't press too far down. You want it to look loose. And the whole little bag should be enough. Like I said, I made a mess here, but I'm cleaning it up. I'm going to use it. Put it in there. Oops, sorry, my kitty jumped up here. Let me get him down. Come on, baby. Get down. Go on. Don't need your help, honey. I'm just getting this up. That way I have one more project for you. But this is what this one looks like. And there's that butterfly. Alrighty. Now let's get ready for the next project. Okay, on our next project you'll need 2 wall signs. I took the jute rope out where it was hanging it, scraped and sanded down where the label was. And if there's any like ribbon that goes from the front to the back, I took that off too. This happened to have this, which I'm saving for a different project later on sometime. You'll need some jute rope so you can hang it. One of these crates. I've got a welcome tin. They come in a pack of 3s, different like welcome, harvest, and Thanksgiving or something like that. I've got some berries, berry garland, I should say, some ribbon, and some of these greenery. It's berry mix, and it came from that came from Walmart. Okay, and you need a paintbrush and some of these large popsicles. I've got 7 here. And what you need to do is first line the 2 signs up and glue them together. You got to do this slow. And get about 2 or 3 glue sticks and push this together to make sure it dries right. Just go right down the seam. Next, line up your popsicle sticks. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Anyway, I'm just lining up the popsicle sticks the way I want them. And it makes it more sturdy if you do it like this. And then just go through and glue the popsicle sticks down and push hard. Get quite a amount of glue on the popsicle stick. make sure you press it down real good. Let me get another couple more glue sticks. And then, let me see, this one, I go like that. But this is real fun and easy to do. You could do this with your kids as long as you watch them real good. Adult supervision. And you're going to need some glue. I have white chalk paint that came from Walmart. And a paintbrush or paint sponge, whichever one you choose to use. Okay, now you just flip it. If it went through, just pull it loose. And pick any of the glue that came through off. You want to use the scraper. Just scrape it off. Alright, now you can start painting, and I'm just going to paint the front, and this paint is new, but anyway, just paint the whole front.